Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, welcome. Join the family, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video. So, sorry, Callie is in my room and apparently she wants to play games. Okay, so we are going to be doing a review first, not necessarily a first impressions, but this is the Gershion kit that I was talking about in my last video. So this is pretty much like an unboxing. I'm sorry y'all, this girl just will not let me be great. Anyways, this Gershion kit, I used the shade 004 in my last video, the video where I did my fall nails with the leaves, and I used that as like my skin tone color on my base. So this is that kit. So this is what the kit looks like. It comes with a stone picker tool and some stones. It also comes with the slip solution, a base coat. Yeah, this is a slip solution. And then you also get a bunch of duo forms. These are the curved duo forms. They're what I used in the beginning of my nail journey. These are paper duo forms. It comes with instructions. You can pause if you want to look at it, or you know, if you purchase the kit, you'll be able to see it. It comes with a thank you card, a nail tool. So this has like the spatula and the brush on either end of the tool. And yeah, then it gives you 6 different polygel options. Now let me tell you, these are significantly bigger than the other nail kits that I have done on my channel. These are the colors swatch. As you guys know, I put it on one piece of paper, so all of my swatches are on one piece of paper so I can look at them later. I'm also going to be using this opalescent glitter, and I'm going to be using these gingerbread cookies. One is like a dark brown gingerbread cookie and the other is like a light brown gingerbread cookie. So we got the different shades of our Black Lives Matter spectrum. You feel what I was saying? So I'm starting off by prepping my nail. I had just removed my last set, the set with the leaves. And so now I'm just trying to get the remnants of that off of my nail, as well as my nail for, you know, my new set. My nails are pretty brittle. They've always been. They break easily. They're very thin. Callie, sorry. They're very thin, so even if I had short nails, I do have to put like, you know, double base coat or something just to keep them from breaking. Sorry, again, Callie will not let me be great. I'm about to kick her out. So I'm taking my e-file and I'm using these McCart full cover tips as half cover tips. So when you place them on, you do have to like shave the sides a little bit, but I was fine with that because I love how it gave me the perfect coffin shape. So coffin is the shape of the day. That is the shape that I'm going for this time. I just wanted something a little, I don't know, like, I don't know. I wanted to change it up. So I've done stiletto, I've done full size, and I'm doing coffin now. So yeah, we're getting into coffin today. I suggest using full size tips, or you can get the stiletto size, you can get the stiletto tips that come like pre-shaped and just cut off the tip and then boom, you got stilettos. So right now I'm prepping my nails by dehydrating and adding primer to my natural nail bed. And then I'm going to start by adding my base coat to my nail, and then I cure that for 30 seconds before I go in with my polygel color. So I do this with all the nails. With my thumb, I tend to do that one first and then go in with the rest. So for the nail color today, I'm going to be using shade number 2, which is this really pretty peachy nude shade. It is so nice. It's very neutral, perfect if you just want to cover your nails with this color and be done. That's pretty much what I did. I just kind of added a little bit of glitz and glam to 2 nails, and I have started to use like 1 bead. I start by adding a lot to the cuticle area and then dragging it out to the tip, because I've really been into the structure of the nails and properly structuring them so that they can last a long time. So it should be thin on the sides, thin at the tip. You should have the majority of your product in the middle of your nail, and also focusing on your apex area, which should be the point where if I were to take the nail, bend it where it would normally break. So this is what the nail looks like when I'm finished, and then I cure that for about 60 seconds. I do that with all of my nails, and then before I add my glitter, I'm going to go ahead and buff. I was out of frame for most of the time with this, so that's kind of why, you know, I sped through this. So I'm literally just smoothing it out. When you have a really good smooth application, it definitely makes this process a lot faster. So this didn't take me long at all. Now I'm taking out my glitter. I have like a dust glitter, I have gold, I have brown, and then I have my cookies, my gingerbread cookies. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of my Burano base gel just because it's nice and thick, and then I'm taking a brush. This is just like a regular, it's a 06 gel brush, and I'm dipping it into my brown glitter and my gold glitter, and I'm just placing that all over the nail. I'm not doing the entire nail, I'm just kind of doing like an angle. On one of my nails, I just did the tip. Take a little bit of this dust glitter just to make it shine a little more, and I'm just randomly placing that. And then I go in with the little clear opalescence circles, and I'm placing those all over the place. So you're literally just placing glitter everywhere. Right here I also have my stars, so I'm taking some of the yellow or gold stars and I'm placing that randomly on the nail as well. Then make sure when you take the big glitter like the gingerbread cookies, you bend them, because you know your nail is curved and it just helps for a better application. If you place them on flat and then you go to file, because you do have to encapsulate these, you're gonna cut off homeboy's leg or his head or something. Trust me, I've done it. I'm just letting you know. So once I've done that and I've encapsulated and filed it down, I'm going to go ahead and start by adding my top coat. So I'm using the Gershion top coat. Normally, I'm just using the Gershion top coat. It's actually really good. So there's that nail, that's how that looks. And this is my favorite part. Whenever you have like glitter and you've encapsulated, I just like to see the sparkle. It's just so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat the rest of my nails and then add my cuticle oil, and that pretty much completes this video. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so sorry about Callie in the background. I could not get her to shut up. And yeah, until next time, beauties, stay blessed.